Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious and refreshing drink. It's guava and ginger, okay? So first I'm going to pour my guava. Then I'm going to put my ginger. Then I'm going to add some water. Just enough. Okay, so I've already have one that I prepared right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little sugar, or you can add honey if you want to. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a teaspoon. And this is our delicious guava with ginger juice. Okay, so I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious and refreshing, and you can always put it in the refrigerator to chill. So live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen.